Hello TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of Optimism Coin with you. Looking at the chart, we can see that there is a clear downtrend in place. Of course, we can say that there was a significant break that occurred between April 13th and 14th at this level. However, currently, the trend is still continuing downwards, and we can see that price movements are falling. It is currently holding at the level of 355. In fact, we can say that there have been previous touches at this level, so this point is important. If the downward break continues from this point, we can expect a further drop in price movements towards the level of 198. On the upside, if it doesn't break, the level of 889 is important for us. The reason for this is that there have been two previous touches in the past, and with the third touch, this area will be broken. In other words, with the break of the level of 889, we can expect further upward movements in price. It is important for us to see the breaking of this point for significant increases. Currently, the first point that needs to be broken is, of course, the downtrend we mentioned. We want the upward break of this downtrend, and if it breaks upwards, our initial target is the mentioned level of 889. Instead of using complex indicators and oscillators, we try to share our interpretations with you using simple charts to help you achieve more accurate results. Additionally, let's start examining our indicators slowly. Let's see how our indicators have provided signals for us. Currently, the Fisher indicator is at -0.88, indicating that the downward movement could still continue. Besides that, on May 29th, there was a breakout where both Fisher and revolutionize indicators experienced a breakout. Along with that, a sell signal is generated, a slight sell signal in this case. The reason for considering it as a slight signal is because they are bearish signals below zero. Currently, both indicators are not showing any upward trend. In WAVE trend, we can only see a slight slowdown in volume. Therefore, we can see that there are no buy signals in both of our indicators unless there is an upward breakout. So, it is beneficial for us to be cautious. Following these indicators will be useful for us. After closing these indicators, let's look at our RSI indicator. RSI has currently broken above the 30 level in an upward direction, and we can say that it has actually given us a buy signal. Of course, just because RSI gave a buy signal, it may not be the right time for us to buy. Looking at the RSI signals here, it is important for us that it holds at the level of 355. Additionally, RSI has broken upwards, which was important for us. Next, let's look at both the moving averages and Bollinger Bands. With these, let's see in which direction the price movements will go. Currently, with RSI giving a buy signal, it is possible for us to see a movement towards the 50 level. However, it has previously given the same signals but then fell again after reaching around the 40 levels. So, we need to be cautious. Currently, we can say that it is holding the buy signal. Looking at our moving averages, the 8-day moving average has not yet broken upwards, and actually, in the short term, the upward break of the 8-day moving average first, followed by the upward break of the 20-day moving average, is important for us. In the long term, we want the 200-day moving average to be broken. There has already been an attempted breakout here, but it couldn't be sustained, and similarly, there is a downward breakout here. Along with that, we can also say that we are experiencing a pullback in hindsight. So, as it appears, we are currently seeing some movement, and after closing our moving average interpretations, let's finally take a look at the Bollinger Bands. In the Bollinger Bands, we currently see an upward movement from the lower band towards the middle band. At the same time, the middle level of the Bollinger Band is important for us as we saw a rise to the level of 355. As seen in the charts, when it breaks below this level, it goes downwards, and when it breaks above, it goes upwards. There are already examples of this in the past. Similarly, it seems to be just about to move outside the bands. As it appears, the price movements have re-entered the Bollinger Band, so the first target here is to rise to the middle band, which would result in approximately a 10% gain. Of course, since it will continue to rise in the future, if a break occurs after about an 8% gain, it may temporarily go down again, and then with some up and down movements, we want the purple line to be broken. Let's mention this again here. Let's slowly come to the end now. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Optimism Coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click here. To stay informed about upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.